It's always a beautiful day whenever you find yourself in Rancho Santa Fe, and today it's especially beautiful, not only because of the blue skies above and the warm weather here in February, but because we have the opportunity to tour this beautiful Spanish Revival home. It's a $5 million home. It's got tons of square footage, tons of space, but let's get straight into the tour. As you can see, we are situated on the east end of the property, and here we have a 3-car garage with custom wood doors. And we'll move on down this way, and you'll notice that the theme of the property truly is entertaining. Even here off of what are likely gonna be your kids' bedrooms, they have a private patio space to call their own for entertaining themselves or their friends when it's play date time. As we move forward, we've got our front entrance straight over here. Having come through your private gated drive over here, parked your car over here, we've got our grand entrance right over here. This is where your guests are gonna come through and see this amazing space open up as you walk through the double doors. You see the detail in the flooring. We've got herringbone layout here before it moves into the traditional pattern throughout the rest of the home. And right off of the main entrance, we've got the great room. Sunken floors bring you down to this space with absolutely huge ceilings that are vaulted and really lend an open and airy feel to this beautiful home. As you can see, we've got the fireplace over here, large space for artwork over here, and a perfect flow as you come through and move into the rest of your space. As we said, entertaining is a theme here. This place is a fantastic area to sit and enjoy time with your friends and family. We've got a complete dry bar over here. Leaving this living room, there is a natural flow directly into the dining, kitchen, and breakfast nook, as well as your sitting area and wine bar behind you. We've got amazing fixtures and finishes in this property, including decor range with a 6-burner and 2 ovens on it. We've got the built-in microwave. We've got stainless steel dishwasher and the decor fridge that is a flush mount as well. Rounding out this kitchen is this massive island we've got here with plenty of counter space. And don't move through this space without noticing a bold design choice. We have 3 colors of kitchen cabinetry in this home, which most people would never dare to do, but actually it came out really well. You notice your black on the island here with your white stone tops. You've got the green with brass finishes and white above, complemented by your black vent hood range as well. The marble, the green, the black, the white, it all just really came together nicely. You move past your sitting area, the fireplace, and your wet bar with ample storage for wine, and we move towards the living spaces of the home. The first of your 5 bedrooms in this home is best used as a study, and it's actually complemented by this powder room that also services your guests while you're entertaining. As we move through, we've got some closet space and the 2 bedrooms that will most likely be used for your kids. Bright and airy with high ceilings and even a loft space on either side, any kid would be excited to have this be their room. As we move through, they've got a fantastic Jack and Jill bathroom, each with their own space, private commode, beautiful shower, and the next bedroom right through here. Moving past the first few bedrooms, we've got what is a fantastic guest quarters, perfect for people staying more than a day or 2. We've got plenty of closet space and a large bathroom with plenty of space to spread out and get comfortable and call your own. As we move into the guest quarters, we can see it's got direct access to the patio and backyard with beautiful views of the trees and roof lines in the distance. Leaving the guest quarters, we make our way back into this hallway, but let's not forget the amazing amount of light and 20-foot plus ceilings we've got as we make our way past a beautifully appointed laundry room, the entrance to the garage, into the entire eastern wing, which consists of your primary suite. Moving in, we've got spacious dual walk-in closets on either side here, and the primary bath, which is just gigantic. Let me show you this. I've got to jump in here and show you. I'm 6'3". Look at the space in this shower surround. The slab marble flanking the walls behind you will just remind you that you made the right choice every time you move through this property. The dual vanities with electrified mirror will make your life easier on a daily basis. Of course, you've got a private commode and a soaking tub and more space for your linens back here. Now, we get to the most important part, which is your primary bedroom. We move in here, we've got more vaulted ceilings, and we've got lots of glass and a private fireplace for you and your loved one to enjoy every night. Now that we've concluded the interior portion of this tour, I wanted to take a moment to thank the listing agent of this property, Kyle Whissel with the Whissel Realty Group at eXp. Now, let's make our way through this primary and take a look at this amazing backyard. We're here on the outside patio. You can't help but notice that almost every room in this entire home pours out onto this entertaining space where you get to sit back and survey this entire backyard with beautiful views, not to mention the private natural preserve just below, guaranteeing that you're never gonna have anybody else cozying up right next to you and building a home blocking your views. Moving through the patio space, we find ourselves at the staircase that takes us down to the lower level and the rest of our outdoor entertaining space. Before we even make it halfway down the stairway, we're surprised with this awesome water slide that's not just for fun for kids, but for adults alike. As we move through, we've got our spa and pool with flagstone coping, and in the distance, we've got our hard court with basketball, pickleball, and anything else your heart can dream up. Thank you for taking the time to tour this 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,714 square foot, completely renovated home on an acre of land in Rancho Santa Fe. I'm JC Agajanian, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.